Here at Brooklyn Hall, my name is Todd Grisham. Next to me, of course, is Johnny Nelson.
About time, too.
It's time for our tale of the tape. In this corner, it's Mickey Ward. He stands 173 centimeters tall with a 178 centimeter reach. And he'll be squaring off against Arturo Thunder Gotti. 5 foot 8 inches tall, 147 pounds. Irish Mickey Ward. If you're looking for heart, courage, and determination, this is your guy. One of the toughest fighters that's ever laced them up. The incomparable Arturo, one of the hottest tickets around. It's standing room only for this, our main event.
This is one of my favorite venues. Get the right fight, you got a night of fun.
Protect yourself at all times, and what I say you must obey. Good luck.
These two fighters promised us an offensive show. Let's see if they deliver. Great combination punching. Unlucky to miss with that jab. The winner of this surely will get a world title shot. What a combination. Covering up. Back and forth they go in this round. The momentum continues to shift.
I've got to be maximum respect to the matchmaker because these guys are perfectly matched, skill for skill, tap for tap. Now this fight will say, you know what, I'm just that notch above you, and so I've got to respect both of them more than happy.
Under a minute to go here in round one. Counter fighter relies a lot on their instincts and reaction time. You've got to get in there quick to punch your opponent before he gets his fist back to block.
If you're fighting a counter puncher, you've got to dummy a shot. Make them react from that, then react then. I know it's hard to think that way, but counter punchers, they're watching your every move, their every flip.
10 seconds to go. Who's going to get the last shot here in the round? This one could go either way. Every round. Here we go. A minute to go. Who's going to land the first big shot? That hook doesn't score. Nice idea with the hook, but that's blocked. Surely will get a world title shot. That hook won't score. Nice power punch. With that jab. The winner of this surely will get a world title shot. That hook's blocked. Swing and a miss with that hook. This counter-puncher is going to wait for you to move first, and 10 seconds to go. Who's going to get the last shot here in the round? I don't know which fighter is winning this bout. The winner of this surely will get a world title shot. Combo work. The face is telling the story from that jab. And what a start to this round. Combo work. Good defense blocking the right jab. You gotta like what you're seeing as we reach the halfway point of this round.
You know what? These guys have had all the hype, had everything around them, and well deserved because they're so close, so close. How can you separate them? It's going to be a hard night tonight for the judges.
What a combination. A minute to go here in the round. Oh, a stiff jab. Wait a minute. He caught him clean. Good job of cutting off the ring, making sure his opponent cannot. Last 10 seconds. We were hoping for round. The winner of this surely will get a world title shot. Block the hook. They told us they'd be looking for the knockout, and that's what they're both going for here early. A big left, but doesn't score with it. The winner of this surely will get a world title shot. It's nothing but air on that left uppercut. Incredible round, and we're only halfway done. Job blocking the hook. That power punch scores. Good defense with that left jab. 10 seconds. Who's winning this fight right now? I have no idea. Time for the fifth round. Surely will get a world title shot. Who's going to be the first one to get caught? What a combination. just missed with that big right hand. Good combo work. These fighters are biding their time. Back and forth they go in this round. The momentum continues to shift.
There's no separating at all. This is ridiculous. These guys are perfectly matched. It's like a match made in heaven.
That's that left hook. Great combination. Big hook. Good thing it didn't land. A minute to go. 10 seconds to go. This fight is closer than 2 pages in a book, Johnny. The winner of this surely will get a world title shot. Left hook misses. Who's going to be the first one to get clipped? Defense with that jab. Big swing and a miss. Always want to get on the offensive foot first. Good defense there to stop that hook. Halfway through the round, and it's pretty much even-steven.
Very close match. It shows the skill, the discipline, the respect both fighters have for each other, because no one dare do anything out of turn.
Throwing the hook, but it doesn't score. Scoring hook. Not much time left in the round. This fight could not be any closer, could it, Johnny?
So important.
Here comes round 7. Surely will get a world title shot. What a combination. Right hand just misses. Good combo work. Which fighter's going to get caught first? Idea with the hook, but that's blocked. Halfway through the round, and man, these two are going at it.
I've got a big maximum respect to the matchmaker, because these guys are perfectly matched, skill for skill, tap for tap. Now this fight will say, you know what, I'm just that notch above you, and so I've got to respect both of them more than happy. Very close match. It shows the skill, the discipline, the respect both fighters have for each other, because no one dare do anything out of turn.
Great combination punching. Check. 10 seconds to go. This fight is closer than 2 pages in a book, Johnny. There's the bell for round 8. Surely will get a world title shot. Always want to get on the offensive foot first. Nice job blocking the left hook. And they get out of the way of that left hand. Carries that jab away. Who's going to be the first one to get clipped? What a round so far as we've reached the halfway point.
You know what? These guys have had all the hype, had everything around them, and well-deserved because they're so close, so close. How can you separate them? It's going to be a hard night tonight for the judges.
Oh, that right uppercut scored. And that left hook doesn't find its target. Under a minute to go. Neither fighter could score the KO, which means it will go to the judges.